Get ready to experience the ultimate iPad like never before. Apple's latest 11-inch iPad boasts a stunning Liquid Retina display, offering unparalleled visuals and an immersive experience. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this iPad is a game-changer. In this video, we'll dive into the features that make this iPad a must-have, from its crystal-clear display to its lightning-fast processor. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for a premium tablet experience, this iPad has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now and discover why this iPad is Apple's most wanted. Number 1. Apple iPad 11-inch, a 16-chip, 11-inch model, Liquid Retina display, 128GB, Wi-Fi 6, 12MP front/12MP back camera, Touch ID, all-day battery life, blue. Brand Apple, model name iPad, memory storage capacity 128GB, screen size 11 inches, display resolution maximum 2360 by 1640 pixel resolution at 264 ppi pixels. About this item. Why iPad? The 11-inch iPad is now more capable than ever with the super-fastest 16-chip, a stunning Liquid Retina display, advanced cameras, fast Wi-Fi, USB-C connector, and 4 gorgeous colors. iPad delivers a powerful way to create, stay connected, and get things done. Performance and storage. The super-fastest 16-chip delivers a boost in performance for your favorite activities. And with all-day battery life, iPad is perfect for playing immersive games and editing photos and videos. Storage starts at 128GB and goes up to 512GB. 11-inch Liquid Retina display. The gorgeous Liquid Retina display is an amazing way to watch movies or draw your next masterpiece. True Tone adjusts the display to the color temperature of the room to make viewing comfortable in any light. Number 2. Apple iPad, 10th generation with a 14 Bionic chip, 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, 64GB, Wi-Fi 6, 12MP front/12MP back camera, Touch ID, all-day battery life, silver. Brand Apple, model name iPad, memory storage capacity 64GB, screen size 10.9 inches, display resolution maximum 2360 by 1640 pixels. About this item. Why iPad? Colorfully reimagined and more versatile than ever, iPad is great for the things you do every day. With an all-screen design, 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, powerful A14 Bionic chip, super-fast Wi-Fi, and 4 gorgeous colors, iPad delivers a powerful way to create, stay connected, and get things done. iPadOS plus apps. iPadOS makes iPad more productive, intuitive, and versatile. With iPadOS, run multiple apps at once, use Apple Pencil to write in any text field with Scribble, and edit and share photos. iPad comes with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote, with over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. Fast Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi 6 gives you fast access to your files, uploads, and downloads, and lets you seamlessly stream your favorite shows. Number 3. Apple iPad, 10.2-inch, Wi-Fi, 32GB, space gray, renewed. Brand Apple computer, model name iPad 7th generation, memory storage capacity 32GB, screen size 10.5 inches, display resolution maximum 2160 by 1620 pixels, customer reviews 4.3 out of 5 stars. Number 4. Apple iPad Air 11-inch with M3 chip built for Apple Intelligence, Liquid Retina display, 256GB, 12MP front/back camera, Wi-Fi 6E, Touch ID, all-day battery life, space gray. Brand Apple, model name iPad Air, memory storage capacity 256GB, screen size 11 inches, display resolution maximum 2360 by 1640 pixel resolution at 264 ppi. About this item. Why iPad Air? iPad Air is powerful, versatile, and comes in a choice of 2 sizes. Featuring the incredible performance of the M3 chip built for Apple Intelligence and a stunning Liquid Retina display along with Touch ID, advanced cameras, blazing fast Wi-Fi 6E, and a USB-C connector. Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections integrated into the core of iPad, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple. Number 5. Apple iPad mini, a 17 Pro Apple Intelligence, 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, 128GB, Wi-Fi 6E, 12MP front/12MP back camera, Touch ID, all-day battery life, blue. Brand Apple, model name iPad mini, memory storage capacity 128GB, screen size 8.3 inches, display resolution maximum 2266 by 1488 pixels. About this item. Why iPad mini, the full iPad experience in an ultra-portable design. Featuring Apple Intelligence, asterisk with an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, asterisk ultra-fast A17 Pro chip, 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage, USB-C connectivity, super-fast Wi-Fi 6E, and compatibility with Apple Pencil Pro asterisk take notes, markup documents, and edit photos and videos. Built for Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple, asterisk. Number 6. Apple iPad, 10.2-inch, Wi-Fi, 32GB, gold, latest model, 8th generation, renewed. Brand Apple, model name Apple iPad, 8th generation, memory storage capacity 32GB, screen size 10.2 inches, display resolution maximum 2160 by 1620, customer reviews 4.4 out of 5 stars, best sellers rank. About this item. Gorgeous 10.2-inch Retina display, A12 Bionic chip with neural engine. 8MP back camera, 1.2MP FaceTime HD front camera, stereo speakers. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi 5 Lightning connector for charging and more accessories. Up to 10 hours of battery life/charge, Touch ID fingerprint sensor. Support for Smart Keyboard and Apple Pencil, 1st generation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.